Rabbi, Yeshua, welcome to my home.
Thank you, Tavaya. You honor me. Hello, Joanna. You've been busy in the kitchen, haven't you?
Yes, Rabbi.
Show me. I want to see where you have worked so hard for us.
Uneducated fishermen are followers, not leaders.
It is time.
Blessed are you, eternal Spirit, who has given us life, sustained us, and allowed us to arrive in this moment.
Tonight, our celebration is marked by 4 cups of wine. This first cup is the Kiddush, the cup of sanctification. When we raise this cup and bless it, we remember that God not only separated us from the Egyptians, but sanctified us to himself as a people. When we recite this blessing, we're crying out to God to make us, in this night, holy. Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe, creator of the fruit of the vine. Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe, who brings forth bread from this earth. Take this and eat. This is my body, broken for you. Do this in remembrance of me. Truly, truly I tell you, one of you will betray me.
Lord, who? Who would do this?
It is the one to whom I will give this piece of bread when I have dipped it in the dish. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech halam asher, kid shanu bitzmatav, itivanu al-aki al-moror. Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe, who sanctifies us by his commandments, and has commanded us to eat bitter herbs. Judas, go quickly and do what you must do. this fourth cup is the cup of redemption. As the scriptures say, I will take you to thyself as my people, and I will be your God.
I will take you to myself as my people, and I will be your God.
Baruch atah Adonai, Elohai Melech Haolam, Borei Pri Hagven. Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe, Creator of the fruit of the vine. May his kingdom come, and his will be done, on earth as it is in heaven.
Amen.
Amen. I say to you, I will never drink of this fruit of the vine from now on, till that day when I drink it anew with you in my Father's kingdom. I have longed to celebrate this Passover with you all. Thank you. My name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Midwest Talent, and I'm 6 feet tall. I like this role because I grew up Catholic. I was part of the youth ministry, baptized, confirmed. Throughout my life, I've really appreciated the role of religion in my life, in my family life, what it's done for me and how it's shaped me as a person. So this is very special to me. It's something unique about me or interesting about me is that I've got my buddy here. His name is Didi. He just turned 3 years old and he's blind. He suffers from a neurological disease where he has seizures, and part of what he's going through now is about 90% reduction in eyesight. So every day, my life with him is a blessing. He was in a 12-hour-long seizure, 4 days in the hospital. And on the 4th day, they brought him back to life. So he's with me all the time, and we're getting through this life together, step by step, paw by paw. And you can see he's got some orange on his beard here. He was having sweet potatoes for dinner tonight. So Didi, thanks for making all this possible. We have a lot of gratitude in this lifetime, and we want to do good. Thank you.